Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. If you have a Kia Rio like this or Hyundai Accent like that and you'd like to change the rear shocks on it, this video is going to be for you. So just a quick view on what we need to do. There is a bolt here on the bottom and there is two bolts on the top, as you can see here. We need to take these three off, then we'll get the whole strut out. Then we need to swap this bracket in here. This bracket, we need to swap it onto the new struts and put it back together. As you noticed earlier, I put the jack underneath the shock in here and start lifting up, and that will give us two benefits here. The first one is when you remove the bolt, it will be on less tension, so we'll use less torque to get it off, and basically that will help us out not to ruin the threads basically when you take it off. The second benefit is when you take the shock off, the whole rear control arm will fall off, and now that there you can, with that you can damage the brake line, ABS line, as you can see here. So now I'll lower it down slowly on the jack to give us more space to do to put our tools in. But as you can see now, it still have more to go. Imagine you do that just out of nowhere, drop it off, and will cause a lot of troubles. All right, See, just as quick as that. Done. All right, go ahead and push it down. Let's see how bad it is. Hard to go down, and when it goes up, stays halfway through. So you have to aid it up to go up. So it's totally bad. It was it's like riding horseback, basically, when you were inside the car. So let's go through the process of replacing it. We need to replace this hat in here, and basically we need to take that nut off. As you can see, this is like a really rusted end. So we'll give it our shot. I'll put you on speed video, and we'll see how we can get it off. All right, and here it is. Now let's go back and put it in the car, same way as we took it. Two bolts on the top, one bolt on the bottom, and we should be good to go. All right, time to put it back in. Right, now we are going up. Just gonna tighten it by hand for now so everything sits into place. And now we'll torque the top bolts. Right, and let's go back to the bottom bolt. All right, time to put everything back together. Done. All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you think this video is beneficial. And have a great day.